Hello, hello, people. Good afternoon again. This is my day five of my series about the life of an online business owners. Today, I'm going to talk to you about here's my little cheat sheet: financial management and budgeting. I will explain to you how I manage my financial aspects of my business, including budgeting and expense tracking. I would mention to you about the amount that I'm spending on the internet, about how I legally track down my expenses. So at the end of the year, I'll be able to legitimately claim that on my taxes. And of course, you have to consult your accountant for all of this. Financial management and budgeting are very crucial in any online business. This serves us as any online business owners, or this is the foundation of our sustainable growth and success. In order for you to move on from 1 year to second year to third year of your business, and I'm going to tell you why they're so important and how the expense tracking plays a major role in this business. Number one is cash flow. Of course, you need the cash flow like everybody else. Even on my even on my real estate before, cash flow is very important. Cash flow is the lifeline. This is your lifeline of your business. Proper financial management ensures or making sure that you have enough funds to cover operational costs, invest in so that you can invest in the growth and handle some unexpected expenses. You should allocate an amount in case of emergency or things can go wrong that you never expect. That's why it needs an extra money or paddings in order to come up with the business. And how to manage it: regularly monitor your in and out, meaning your income and your outcome. There should be a ledger that just like me, I'm an old guy. I have a ledger wherein, I'm sorry, I cannot share it to you because I know exactly in my ledger I have the in and out of money, the income, the expenses, and everything like that. And this is very important. I always save my receipts. Yes, besides the backup of your business credit card, you should always save your receipt. Um, and also for budgeting for success, of course. Why is this important? A well planned budget helps you allocate resources efficiently, prioritize your spending, and set financial goals. So you know exactly how much amount that you're going to use for your ads, for your let's say it's something went on sale, that you can buy it right away. You can buy I mean, some filters that you this is personal use, we don't sell, okay? um, and uh, and set financial goals, and that would lead you to your own roadmap for achieving some profits, so your probability. And how are you able to budget? Start with a monthly and then do quarterly budget that outlines expected income and the expenses that you need. Always write it down, okay? The moment that you spend that much money, come back to your ledger right away the same day, so you don't forget, because it can be overwhelming. It keeps adding up every single day, okay? And adjust it as necessary based on the actual amount on that you spent for the whole day. And how do you track the expenses? And why is it important? It's very important because you're keeping eye very you're able to keep your eyes, I mean, monitoring on your expenses, help you to avoid overspending, helps you to avoid cutting opportunities. Let's say you found out that this is much better than this one, you're able to make sure that you're getting the best return on your investment. And how do you track again the expenses? I already mentioned earlier that you use the expense tracking application. I'm an old guy. I'm still using the Excel, the or the but now the AI has a lot of tracking applications or software that you can log in and out about your expenses, and it totals you at the end of the year automatically. But I'm still using the old type. I'm still using the the old type. This I can still add using my calculator. This practice helps you to stay organized and make a very informed decisions. And how about your planning for the future? It's so important that you have plan, you have goals. You're hoping to achieve by this and that. Let's say in 3 months' time or 6 months' time, you write down your goals. How much is the corresponding expenses? Does it equate with the income that you're receiving? Of course, it's very important because financial management and budgeting are not just about today. They're about preparing for the futures. This includes saving for taxes, like I mentioned earlier, investing into a new ventures. Let's say, just like me, I'm able to make money already from this amount. Um, and I already know what my plan is. So if I need to make an investment into another venture, I need to find out how much money I need to save on a weekly basis, then to monthly basis, quarterly basis, and eventually, if I'm ready, then I can make a down payment on the new ventures that I have. Okay, you can tell this because I have this on my um, Facebook profiles, which I'm doing, and ho- so far, so good. I'm very good at it. And how do you make plans? As I told you, set aside funds for future investment, and also, especially on my end, we're only paying taxes at the end of the year. So set that aside, like 10% of them, your tax obligations and unexpected costs, like if you get audited by the IRS, and because you can mess up, then you have something to pay for that. Just like last year, I got audited, but I pay it right away because my padding is right there. I was able to pay it right away. Create a financial plan that aligns with your long term business goals. And of course, the legal compliance, I just told you about my experience with the IRS. Proper financial management ensure you're compliant with tax laws and other financial regulations. Our business is very legit. This is why I keep telling everybody over and over that our business is so legit because we're paying taxes. And I have the limited LLC liability that I'm paying every year. And I, besides paying taxes at the end of the year, also, proper financial management ensures that you're compliant with the tax laws and so that you can pay your taxes on time and avoid some penalties and some fines that the IRS will impose on. And how do you stay compliant? Keep accurate records. I mentioned to you already the receiving you. I mean, keeping on a. I have um, a very good filing here in my office when it's very organized. It's very what do you call that? Let me I don't know how to show it to you, but it's on my file. It's um, it's it was done to me by California Closets, and they're so organized with the folders and there's some identifiers and also the name of the business and the date and the year. And then I put it on my special containers at the end of the year so that I could just bring it up on April to bring it to my accountant. It's so easy when you're doing it from the very beginning. Okay. By focusing, okay, let me sum it up. Okay. Let me, I hope I'm making myself clear because I don't want to use up most of your time because we just had a meeting and I told them that I'm going to be doing this day five today. But this financial management and budgeting is so crucial because, excuse me, by focusing on these areas, you can build a strong financial foundation for your online business, leading you to a greater stability and growth. And how do you currently manage your finances? Are there any specific challenges that you face? Let me know so I can help you because um, over time and being at this age already, I think I'm organized enough to deal with this and I can help you also. Okay, thank you very much. Hopefully, I made myself very clear on the topic for the day five, about financial management and budgeting. Thank you very much. Hopefully, to see you again on day six tomorrow. This is June again from my www.junebaba.com and see you inside. Mabuhay po kayo.